Hey guys, so dumating na ulit yung order natin ng sandal watch, no? Second purchase natin to. So buksan na natin, tingnan natin kung yun pa rin yung quality niya. Hopefully, no? Ganun din yung quality, continuous yung ano nila. Hindi naman kasi ako ganong discriminating kung made in China. It's always about the quality kasi nagba-buy and sell din ako dati ng mga China-made products. In fairness, quality-wise, may quality naman. Ayan, ang ganda, no? Pilitin na rin niya, well-packed. Okay. So, ayan, again, wala siyang box. Keep the price low. Napaka-simple. Ayan. China. Up to the touch siya, no? Very fine pa rin yung pagkakagawa niya, yung quality. So, for less than 500, sulit na to. No? Hopefully, tumagal siya. But for Casio-like quality, this is very nice. Buti natin, no, yung buttons niya compared dun sa nauna kong nabili, mas maganda siya, mas malambot, tsaka mas madaling kutkutin. Yung plastic hindi ko makutkut, hindi ko matanggal. Pero overall, it's a nice piece. Tsaka yun, yung strap, highly commendable, no, ang lambot. So take your pick, guys, no. Link is provided. Enjoy.